my name is Shyam, and in this video we'll discuss about the basics of Linux commands. And in this video we'll discuss 5 Linux commands, and on the screen you will be seeing what all commands we are going to discuss in this video. All these commands will discuss through hands-on itself, and I'll be using a Git terminal to demonstrate all these commands and how they work. Without further ado, we'll get started, and you can see on the screen I am on this Windows operating system. And then if I right click, I'll get the option called as open git bash here. That's the terminal I'll be using. And then I'll just maximize to make sure it is visible. And along with that, I'll open this file manager also, which is in the same location. Now what I'll do is, let's straight away get started with the first command called as cat1.txt. What this will do is, this command will help you to create one file, empty file. Along with that, you will be able to add the contents that you want to store in that file. Now what you do is click on enter. Now let's say I want to, let's will store two two fruit names in that file. I'll click on enter and then control C to exit. Now let's verify it is stored or not. Yes, you can see that. Now consider this scenario. I want to enter one fruit name inside that file itself. I'll click on enter. Let's say we will add orange. Now what you do is click on enter, control C. Watch this, cat1.txt. You will see what two fruits that you stored previously, apple and banana, are overridden by this orange. Now those two fruit names are lost. For that not to happen, what you do is there is another command called as double right arrow operator. Now there is only one fruit name, that is orange, stored in that file. Upon that, along with that also, you can store this. Let's say whatever you add after this will be stored along with that orange name that is stored in that file. Let's say I want to add another fruit name called as watermelon. I'll type enter and control C. Now let's see whether it is added. Yes, watermelon has been added without losing the fruit name called as orange. That is the difference between these two right arrows and one single right arrow. Now let's discuss about next command, but before that we will create two more files and a folder. Touch.txt, 3.txt, and in case later we will create a folder called as new folder. Now let's type this. As you can see, one dot along with 1.txt, you have 3.txt, 2.txt, and new folder. Now next command is cp. Cp is nothing but you want to copy any file to another location, means you can take the help of this command. So let's say I want to copy this 1.txt to this new folder. What I'll do is type the file name that you want to copy and the location that you want to copy. Click enter, ls. Now let's verify whether it is copied or not. New ls, new folder. Right? Yes. You can see 1.txt has been copied. Now let's get inside that new folder and delete it just for the sake of next command demonstration. And let's verify whether we are in. Yes. Next command is mb. Let's do the same operation. Let's say I want to copy that, move that folder to that new folder. Now what's this? It doesn't create a copy. It just only transfers that file and stores in that new folder. Now let's verify whether it is copied or not. I mean moved or not. Yes, 1.txt has been moved. There is another functionality for this command. Let's say you can also use this command to rename any file that you want. Let's say I want to rename this 2.txt. Let's say we can rename it to renamed.txt. Now watch this. 2.txt has been renamed to rename.txt. As you can see and verify, rename.txt has been renamed, which was previous 2.txt. Now, next command is rmdir, which you can use to delete any folder that you want. Now, watch this. Fail to move, fail to remove new folder. Since there is a file called as 1.txt, the condition is that if you want to delete any folder with the help of rmdir command means that file folder name should be empty. Then only you will be able to delete that folder. Now let's get inside that folder and delete .txt file. Let's get outside and let's write a list. Now you can delete that folder, new folder, and you can see that folder name has been deleted. That's it. These are the 5 commands that I wanted to demonstrate and hope you have understood the flow of how these commands work, and hope you have understood and learned something new from this video, and hope you liked it, and until that we'll meet in the next video, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.